I've accomplished one of my dreams at the age of 20 years old. No, it's not buying a McLaren. No, it's not living in $1 million mansion. But I did buy a Surron Ultra Bee. I've been searching through Facebook Marketplace for the past couple months, and I've just been eyeing these Ultra Bees like they're candy. And then I saw one for $4,100. I've been saving up for so long, and this bike was just the right price. Not too cheap, not too expensive. That's when I knew I had to make the move. Dude, how many bikes? Oh, you got the Arctic? Yeah. Dude, I love the Arctic leopards. So which one is mine?
This one's yours right here. This is the turn signal. This one I'm showing you on FaceTime.
Oh, shit, bro. Dude, I'm about to cry right now, bro.
Don't cry, bro.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let me test this thing out real quick.
It's live.
Oh, guys, this thing is brand spanking new. Oh, we got an Ultra Bee in the back. Dildo?
What up?
Yo.
What's going on?
Yo, what do you think I got my hands on, bro?
An RC Clipper?
Guess again, bro. Guess again, bro.
My
All right, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah. Get the f out of here. You got a Ultra Bee?
Brand new, baby.
Dude, that's fire.
Show Kyle. Show Kyle. Kyle's got to see this, too.
Oh, he's watching, dude. He's watching. Here, I'm live, bro. Say what up.
Yo, what up, bro?
Oh, dude, that's so fire. Oh, my God.
Bro, it's crazy, dude. I feel like I'm in a dream right now.
What's up,
I got something to show you. Yo.
honey?
No, what do you think I got my hands on?
A real motorcycle?
What the fuck is this?
Oh, my God. The Ultra Bee. Ultra
Alright, boys, we're outside on the Ultra Bee, baby. We're out here in Los Angeles. My goal for this video is to see if the Surron Ultra Bee can take me to some of the most iconic spots in Los Angeles. First, I'm going to be headed over to the Hollywood sign, then the Griffith Observatory, the Chinese Theater, Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, and then the Santa Monica Pier. Let's see if this Ultra Bee is going to make it. Let's go over to the Hollywood sign, baby. Damn, Hollywood on the freaking Ultra Bee.
I won't misuse you, trust I won't misuse you. Good thing that I can't bust, but I'm a good in bed, let me in.
Now guys, I want to show you guys something crazy, bro. I literally just came from like Hollywood and it's already at 80%, guys. Probably riding for about 10 minutes and it's already down 20%. Like, that is crazy. Damn, bro, this bike drains really fast. No, I guess I gotta keep it in eco. So like, say if you're doing like really long trips, you really gotta utilize that eco, because if you just keep it in drive the whole time, man, this thing is gonna drain. Getting an e-bike and going to the observatory is a cheat code, bro. Are we in GTA 5 right now? Damn, this place is lit. And this spot is also in the Terminator movie. See if I can get up in here, bro. The whole city of Los Angeles is right over there. Video is turned into Can My Ultra Bee Last all the way across Los Angeles. Hey. Guys, this thing comes with an extra light switch, so you got some bright lights right here. Comes with eco mode, sport mode, drive mode, turn signals, a horn, emergencies. It's got everything you need to make this thing street legal. This is my homie Abel. I met him from school and he's brand new to bike life. I think it's about time we show him around LA.
Surron, which one is that? Which one is Surron?
Surron Ultra Bee, and this is a 79 bike. Yeah, so both are 72 volts. That's 72 volts, and this is 74 volts. It goes like maybe like 50, 60, and this goes around 70. Yeah, bro, you gonna get one or what?
Yes, sir, I am. I am. Y'all have fun. Be safe on it, man.
Appreciate you, bro.
God bless you guys.
I'll teach you how to do some wheelies. I got you.
I'm scared.
Damn, boys, we're out here in the Chinese Theater. Quentin Tarantino. Yo, hold up. I'm trying to pop in. Guys, when have you seen this place other than in GTA5, bro? I have never actually been here in person, bro. This is like one of my first times. Yo, Johnny Depp was right there. Spider-Man, can I get a hug, Spider-Man? Come here, Spider-Man. It is good to see you, Spider-Man. One thing I'm gonna say about this Surron Ultra Bee is that, bro, you think that your life is gonna change once you get something that you really want. And bro, it's like actually not that different. Like, I got this bike and I like expected my life to change or something. Some beautiful horrendous moment that like, oh, my life's gonna change forever, but it's like, bro, you just get used to it. Like, say if I were to get a McLaren, I'd probably get used to it in like a month or two, and then I'd be like, now I want a Lambo, you know what I mean? Next up, we're gonna be heading over to the iconic spot where Michael robbed the jewelry store in GTA 5. Yo, be careful with this thing, right? It's in drive right now, so feel the power out a little bit. Hey, we're on the 79. This bike got some pretty good power. I kind of want this bike. Why am I like actually enjoying this? I don't even want to get off of this. You want to trade? Damn, that's a sick bike. Hey, bro, how fast it go? Damn. You guys want to race? the suspension is nowhere near as good as the Ultra Bee. Yo, that suspension's way better, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, we're coming up on Rodeo Drive, baby. We are in Beverly Hills right now. This spot is actually rolled. If cops pull up on us, what are you gonna do?
Just keep riding.
We out here in Beverly Hills. Hey! Get up in here. Oh my God, guys. This is the spot where you rob the jewelry store in GTA5, bro. Here's the jewelry store. Oh no, that's the jewelry store. That's so sick. I literally feel like a tourist. Every time I come here, it feels unreal, bro. Bro, this place looks like Italy, bro. Bro, what are we doing out here, bro? We don't belong here. But this Ultra Bee does belong here, bro. We're about to ride down the stairs. You got it? Show me you riding down the stairs. Come on, let me see.
She call my phone, she wanna play.
Yeah.
I'll be with them young and strapped up.
Boys, we are outside on the Ultra Bee in Beverly Hills, bro. Never would have thought I would have gotten this Ultra Bee, but I finally got my hands on it.
Look at this.
I gotta play out and on me. Probably busting a play when you saw me. Hit that boy with a K, get him on me. I be rocking that big on bananas. On the rip, I be ducking them cameras. I hop out with that bag like a scammer. Run up on me, get popped like a jammer. Yeah.
Is everything all right, sir?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Is everything okay?
No.
No, why not?
Because you're going in between my car and another car, and that's dangerous.
There's some angry drivers out here. Top 3 things I love about the Surron Ultra Bee. Number 1 is obviously the power, bro. This thing's got a lot of power. Number 2, the brakes, dude. These brakes are top of the line Emoto brakes. They're straight motorcycle brakes. Literally, while I'm doing a wheelie, I hit the brake too hard and it shoots me back down immediately. I feel so safe when I'm riding this bike because of these brakes. Number 3 is obviously the suspension, bro. This bike suspension feels like a straight 125 suspension or a 250 dirt bike suspension. This bike is absolutely amazing, bro. Like, this is one of the best bikes that you can get for Emoto. What's up, bro? You good?
Stop.
You stop.
Can't stop, you know that.
But you're stopped right now. No, you can't stop. It's not that bad. Oh, 4 grand. Stay safe, bro. Ah.
That actually came up.
Really? Bro, some people can do stoppies for like 50 feet coming up like. My bike's actually at 56%. I came all the way over from Hollywood and we're about to get to the Santa Monica Pier. I thought this thing would be at way less. Kind of at the top of the battery, it like drains really fast. You're about to get gapped, bro. Like there's literally no chance on green. I'm going easy. Bye-bye! It says I hit 56. I kind of don't believe that, bro. I'm pretty sure the speedometer has like a cap on it. I feel like I was going like 60, 65 maybe. Look at what we're pulling up on right now, bro. Now, I don't think they take very kindly to people coming on these big electric dirt bikes out here, but I don't think we're gonna be here for long, right? Hey, excuse me, I really like your jean jacket. It's pretty cool.
Thank you. I got it at Target.
Oh, really? At Target?
Yes.
Damn, so what are you guys doing? Just like chilling out here?
Yeah, we're actually from Texas.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm actually from Texas too.
Really?
I lived in Texas for like 10 years. You're actually very beautiful. You think I can maybe get your number?
No, I have a boyfriend.
Damn, but I'm trying to be your husband though.
No.
All right, have a good one. Yo, what's the helicopter doing here? They're after us, bro. Yo, they're gonna come get you, bro. They're after your ass. What battery percent are you at? 56? I have more range than you. I know, man. I just realized. Guys, let's check out the battery that I'm at right now. Let's see what I'm at. 52%. I went all the way over. That's good. Yeah, it's not bad. I went all the way over from the Hollywood sign all the way down here. 52%. I actually can't believe it. Sorry, we'll get out of here. Sorry, we're leaving. We're just gonna end the video right here. This bike survived Los Angeles, bro. I didn't think this bike was gonna be able to make it to all those spots, but it's crazy that it actually did. And it's at 50%, bro. It's unbelievable. Yeah, guys, this bike is absolutely beautiful, man. It feels like a dream that I even have this, bro. Yo, what do you think about this bike, bro?
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful, bro. You want one?
Oh, yeah. We're gonna switch.
Yeah, but we gotta trade low key. As soon as you learn how to wheelie it, you can wheelie it. I like this 79 bike too, guys. This bike is actually fire. This thing is sick as it's really smooth. I'm surprised how smooth it was. And yeah, dude, this thing made it all the way over to the Santa Monica Pier. Unbelievable. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.